With a manufacturing sector that exports over $1.5 billion annually, success in manufacturing is happening every day in Lethbridge. Lethbridge has numerous benefits to companies considered expanding or locating in our region. Provincially, Alberta has one of the lowest income tax rates in the country, and no payroll or provincial sales tax. Lethbridge also has no machinery or equipment tax, which makes operating a manufacturing business even more attractive to potential companies. Lethbridge is ideally located just an hour away from the Coutts Sweetgrass border crossing, the only 24-hour commercial border crossing in Alberta. Lethbridge and area is also a hub for railway connectivity, and lines cross through the city and region in every direction, offering manufacturers numerous options and destinations for their products. Manufacturing requires many different skill sets, and the city and region provide a well-equipped workforce to meet the needs of existing and potential businesses. Lethbridge Polytechnic and the University of Lethbridge graduate over 3,000 students each year and continue to work with industry on equipping graduates with skills needed now and into the future when it pertains to the manufacturing sector. Flexa Hopper Plastics, Hall Equipment, Triple M Housing, Pratt & Whitney, and Southland Trailers are just a few of the many success stories in the manufacturing sector in Lethbridge and southern Alberta. These companies provide solutions for not only the Lethbridge area, but also across the globe.